Hey guys, Austin here with Tier 1 Auto Haus. Another sick project we just wrapped up. This is a brand new Ferrari 296 GTB. It came straight from the dealership, straight to us. It has only 90 miles on it, so we weren't able to move it much to get a lot of content for you guys, but what we did on this thing was a full stealth conversion. So this car came to us gloss white. The customer wanted to get from an average look to an exotic look, and when going with a stealth conversion, it gives it a satin finish. So it's not as glossy and bright, and it makes the body lines pop like crazy. Like if you look at this thing, the depth, the pop on it is gnarly. We even went ahead and did full window tint, and one of XPEL's brand new product it just released. It is windshield protection film. So this was the first car that we were able to install that on for a customer. It came out great, install is great. That's gonna protect any rock chips. These windshields are extremely expensive to replace. So even getting one rock, you're out of the car thousands of dollars just to replace that. So it's better to get a film that protects that so you don't have to go through that headache. We also went ahead and did a full satin ceramic coating on this just to make the maintenance on the vehicle a little bit easier for the customer. We do have our team that takes care of the maintenance on this vehicle, so it's gonna help us keep it clean, make it look a lot newer for a lot longer. So when going with a stealth conversion, this isn't just your plot out and slap on type of job. This has to be meticulous and very attention to detail, because we need to get full coverage to give it that satin look and not have a bunch of exposed gloss white. And we can show you a little bit of that process on our install clips. All right guys, this was a super fun project. The result came out insane. Can't wait for the client's reaction on this. He's gonna be super stoked. He hasn't taken a look at it at all, no sneak peeks or anything. So we have a lot of cool projects lined up, so stay tuned for future videos. And of course, if you're looking to have any of these services done, please don't be afraid to reach out. We can give you a free quote.